Today's topic might just be about a hidden part of you that you didn't even know existed. Any guesses? Yes, chakras. But what exactly are chakras? How many are there? What do they do? And the biggest question, how can you unlock them and bring out your true self? Let's get started. What are chakras? Chakras are known as the energy centers within our bodies. The word chakra comes from Sanskrit and means wheel or circle. Think of each chakra as a spinning wheel where your energy flows. In yoga and meditation practices that originated in India, it's believed that chakras help regulate the flow of life energy. Each chakra is connected to a specific area of the body and a state of mind or emotion. How many chakras do we have? So do you know how many chakras the human body has? There are 7 main chakras, and each has its own unique role. Root chakra, Muladhara, located at the base of the spine, symbolized by the color red. It's linked to security, survival, and feeling grounded. Sacral chakra, Svadhisthana, found just below the belly button. Its color is orange. It's related to creativity, sexuality, and life force energy. Solar plexus chakra, Manipura, located in the stomach area, symbolized by yellow. It's about confidence, willpower, and personal strength. Heart chakra, Anahata, located in the chest, represented by green. It's the center of love, compassion, forgiveness, and inner peace. Throat chakra, Vishuddha, found in the throat. Its color is blue. It's all about freedom of expression, communication, and speaking your truth. Third eye chakra, Ajna, also called the third eye, located between the eyebrows, symbolized by indigo. It's linked to intuition, awareness, and spiritual insight. Crown chakra, Sahasrara, found at the top of the head. Its color is purple or white. It represents universal consciousness, spiritual connection, and enlightenment. Which chakra is the most important? Actually, all chakras are important. They're like links in a chain. But some believe the heart chakra is extra special because it's the center of love and compassion. Others say the root chakra is the most crucial because without a sense of security and grounding, the other chakras can't flow properly. What blocks your chakras? Constant stress and anxiety. Suppressed emotions. Negative thought patterns. Living a disconnected, inactive lifestyle. Being unable to express yourself. These things can block your energy flow and cause imbalances. Where are chakras used? Knowledge of chakras is mostly used in yoga, meditation, breathwork, and alternative healing practices. The goal is to keep your energy flowing freely, because when a chakra is out of balance, it can affect you physically, emotionally, or both. So which of your chakras do you think is open, and which one might be blocked? Share in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Keep your energy open and flowing. See you next time.